So this is a 2024 BMW X6, the M60i 4.4 liter 8-cylinder hybrid. We went ahead and we cut out the back muffler assembly and we cut out the resonator in the middle. That's the back muffler assembly, monstrosity. So let me lift it up, I'll show you what we did. So we cut out the resonator there in the middle, we put a next pipe in place of it. And we went ahead and cut out the big muffler back there. That big thing there. Just ran a couple of 3-inch pipes right through there. So we'll start this thing up and see what it sounds like. Okay, let's go ahead and start this thing up and see what it sounds like.